Hello, today we will guide you through how to share a document on Zoom. If you need to present a file during a meeting, Zoom makes it simple to share a document directly with participants. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process from opening the app to selecting the document you want others to see. As you follow along, make sure your document is easy to locate on your device so the sharing process is smooth and quick. Begin by opening the Zoom app. Once Zoom launches, give it a moment to load fully so all meeting controls are available. Starting from the desktop app is important because that's where the sharing tools are easiest to access during a live meeting. Next, open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting where you want to practice or present your document. Joining the meeting first is necessary because the document sharing controls only appear once you are inside an active Zoom session. After the meeting opens, you should be able to see the standard meeting toolbar, usually along the bottom of the Zoom window. From there, click on Share at the bottom of the meeting window. This opens Zoom's sharing panel, which gives you different ways to present content to the people in your meeting. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, move your cursor over the Zoom window and it should reappear. At the top of the sharing panel, click on File. This option is useful when you want to share a document rather than your full screen. Choosing File can help keep your presentation focused, especially if you don't want participants to see other windows or notifications on your computer. After that, select the sample document you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct file before continuing. Once selected, Zoom will begin sharing that document into the meeting so participants can view it. This is a good time to make sure the document is clear, properly sized, and ready for discussion. And that's all it takes to share a document on Zoom. If you plan to present often, it can help to keep your files organized in an easy-to-access folder before the meeting starts. That way, when it's time to share, you can move through the process confidently and without delays. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to share documents in Zoom more effectively.